In this video, you're going to learn about the comparison of adjectives. We are always comparing people, places, and things. Don't we say things like, "My friend is as tall as my brother"? "The red roses are prettier than the pink ones." "My sister is the best hockey player on the team." Adjectives have three different forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Let's look at the adjective long. The positive form is long, the comparative form is longer, and the superlative form is longest. Let's use them in sentences. How many girls in the class have long hair? Anu, Tina, and Rosie have long hair. Is Tina's hair as long as Anu's hair? No, Anu's hair is longer than Tina's hair. Comparative adjectives are used to compare one noun to another. Like here, we are comparing Anu's hair and Tina's hair. Anu's hair is longer than Tina's hair. Let's look at more examples. The tall clown is funnier than the short clown. Today is colder than yesterday. Remember, we always use the word than when using comparatives. Funnier than, colder than. Superlative adjectives are used to compare three or more nouns. Remember Anu, Tina, and Rosie? Anu's hair is longer than Tina's hair. Here we had the comparative form, longer, being used. Of the three girls, Rosie's hair is the longest. Rosie has the longest hair. Let's look at more examples. We have three dogs, Jack, Boxer, and Rocky. Boxer is the biggest. I did 10 sums. The last one was the most difficult. Big becomes bigger and biggest. Difficult does not change to difficulter and difficultest. Instead, we say more difficult and most difficult. We don't add ER and EST to all adjectives. Boxer is the biggest dog. The last sum was the most difficult. Remember, always use the before a superlative. The biggest dog. The most difficult. We use ER and EST with some adjectives to form the comparative and superlative forms. Which adjectives are these? Adjectives with one syllable, two-syllable adjectives ending in Y or ER. Adjectives with one syllable. Big, clean, sad, and strong have one syllable. What does this mean? Do you know what syllables are? You should understand what syllables are because the word is used a number of times in the videos on comparison of adjectives. How many syllables a word has depends on the sound units in the word. When we say words, we break them up according to the vowel sounds. Big has just one vowel sound, I. Clean has one vowel sound too, E. So we say they are one-syllable words. Now look at these adjectives. When we say ugly, we break it up into ug and li. Ug has the vowel sound and li has the vowel sound e. Two vowel sounds, so ugly has two syllables. Now listen and decide the number of syllables in the following adjectives. Beautiful, tall, careful, important, cold, nervous. Did you get them right? Tall and cold, one-syllable adjectives. There's just one vowel sound in these words. Ugly, careful, nervous, two syllables. Beautiful, important, three syllables. So let's go back to adjectives with one syllable. Big becomes bigger and biggest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Look carefully. Is there any difference when ER is added to big, clean, sad, and strong? BIGGER, CLEANER, SADDER, and STRONGER. If you noticed, did you notice that there is a double G in bigger and a double D in sadder? If the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling, we double the final consonant before adding ER or EST. So B is the consonant, I is the vowel, and G is a consonant again. So we double the last consonant. The same goes for sad. Two-syllable adjectives ending in Y or ER. Dirty, easy, happy are two-syllable adjectives that end in Y. Clever ends in ER. What happens to these when we form the comparative and superlative forms? DIRTY, when we add ER, we remove the Y and add I in its place. So it becomes DIRTIER. DIRTIEST. And clever becomes cleverer and cleverest. If you liked this video and want to stay updated on more such videos in future, please subscribe to our channel.